Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com, and today we're taking a look at download. That is the number 2 download, and this allows you to never really forget, when you need to download something, you can make and manage all of your media list within this application. It's the ultimate download list manager for your favorite media. So you can see here on the home screen, very simple UI. They have movies, music, books, apps, and TV shows here. So you can see here that if you hit the information button, you can just get relative information of the application here, version 1.0, all of that. You can hit done here. You also have the ability to go through and add anything to your download list. So what is your download list? So let's say you're going through the store, for example, and you see a movie that you want to get, or an application, or your friend told you about a movie or an application, or even a song that you may be interested in downloading on iTunes when you get home, or Amazon, or whatever music store you use, or bookstore, whatever it may be. So you can add it to the list, and this allows you to add it easily. So let's say you, for example, see a CD copy in a store, and you don't really want to get the CD copy, you want to go home and buy it on iTunes, a digital copy. You can click on music, and then you can click on a plus sign, and you can add it in here. So you can hit plus, you can add a title, you can add the artist, you can even click on type here and add music video, single, album, and you can even click a genre and specify that. You can also click on the picture right here and allow you to add a cover photo. So maybe you want to take a picture, for example, of the CD cover or anything of that sort. You can do that as well, easily. And then you can mark it later on when you save it. You can mark it for complete. You can add a due date, so maybe you want to remind yourself, and that will also show up in your due and or completed. So it's like a to-do list for what you have to download, essentially. It has a really easy to use interface. Like I said, it has the notification alerts. You can quickly filter items through this bottom pane right here, all due or completed. It has multi-editing support, and it can work on Wi-Fi or 3G, but is not required, so that's something to keep a note here. But you also have space for movies, so for example, if I want to add a movie, same thing. I can add the genre. I can say if I want it in HD or not. So, just something to remind myself, so I can go on iTunes or whatever, source I use and buy the movie. You also can see here, if I go back, you can have self-repeating notifications for TV shows or stuff like that. So if I go into TV shows, I can go into add here and have stuff like you see seasons, total episodes, complete episodes, and reminder. So maybe I want to remind myself when to get like a new episode or download the new episode for some big TV show out there. And it's great because it allows you to really get organized in this aspect. And I really like the feature that it allows you to take pictures of certain stuff. So you can see here maybe somebody told me about an app. I can just quickly write the name. I can fill in all the information, or I can just write the title. Maybe I just want to write the title and then maybe take it out and say, hey, can I take a photo of it, and then. For example, I have my iPad here. Let's say I want to download Angry Birds, and I can take a picture of my friend's app here. I can just take it like that easily and hit use, and then I can just save it. And you can see it saves right there easily. And then you can see right there, we're just saving this list, and I can add all this extra information to it as needed. So this is download. If anything, it works great on the iPhone 5, but I'd like to see support for the iPhone 5's resolution. As you see here, I still have the top black bar on the top and bottom. But other than that, everything works fine. I've had no bugs, I've had no errors, no crashes. Everything works solid, and it's a really great way to get your media organized and have a set to download list for all your media. Alright, I'm Adrian. Thanks for watching.